This was the last episode of Cola Culture, but let's rewind a little bit. Yo, peace and love, guys. Back with another designer video, and I think I'm done with the designer sneakers. So yeah, that's that. I know they don't get the most views and all that, but the shoes just look so cool and they're fun to review. And while I was reviewing this particular sneaker, I found this, and apparently all you have to do is take, what is that, an A6 Gel 1130, scissors, super glue, and a bike tire, and you have yourself your own Balenciaga Defender, which will be a lot cheaper than $12.50 with these retail for from the Balenciaga site. And let's just go ahead and take a look at these. A lot of you guys were in my live that night when I did get this shoe, and this shoe also came from the person that sent me this shoe, so I really do appreciate that. And I guess you're at home asking yourself, like, why would he choose a shoe like that? And the answer is because you probably won't. And when I was doing some more research, I always do research, I found out these are most popular in like the UK. And I watched a guy's video. He wore them for 24 hours. They were beat after that. And I mean, he loved them. And me personally, I wore these a little bit on foot. I wore them out in the streets. And besides them looking obnoxious, they're actually really, really comfortable. And they help you get like this whole gliding step thing going on. It's kind of weird when you put them on, but when you walk, it's like you get like this extra roll in your strides. It's kind of fun, actually. It helps you cover more ground than just regular walking in normal shoes. So I kind of like it. And as far as how they're constructed, there's no leather on them. They use 100% synthetic materials, which I do like. That's what they look like compared to another 9.5 sneaker. And the 43, the 44, I'm still trying to figure out what's the best size for me. But in this shoe, I say go true to size. Here's Beebs wearing these, and I promise you, I don't have pants for the on foot for this. I just don't. I don't even like pants like that's like beyond baggy. That's like straight leg baggy. Who wears that? And the shoe does weigh a ton. It's really heavy, but at the same time, it'll give you almost 2 inches of extra height. So I'll take that. That works for me. Now, visually, do I like this shoe? Not really. For me, it's all, see, there goes that 43 size 10 thing again. I still can't figure it out because I've seen shoes that say size 43 and it still says size 10. So I have no idea, but in this shoe, I recommend going true to size. That feels very ortholite-ish. It's not really the polyurethane stuff that I like, but it doesn't matter. The shoe is really comfortable. That's their new Balenciaga B logo. Shout out to Kanye. And it's just, it's unfortunate that these shoes have to cost so freaking much because they're just really fun to look at and they're really fun to wear. And if you were to put these in like Foot Locker, over time, I think they probably would sell. It's just that they're so hard to get and people don't want to buy them or try them because they're too expensive. And as you can see, there's nothing going on here as far as the black light. I don't even know what I'm looking for. There's really no stitching lines. They don't do it like a Jordan 1, so I'm just kind of looking for whatever on this. Just doing it kind of as a formality. But before we jump into the on foot, please make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Cola Culture. You thumbs up the video, like it, share it, all that good stuff. And yeah.